Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm about to show you how you can fix crashing, not launching, freezing, and all the errors in Forza Horizon 4. Now this is the part 2, and it's very a method that I know a lot of people tried and it worked, so I decided to create a part 2. Make sure you watch the part 1 as well, and this is a very short video, under 2 minutes. Now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, we have to, here in the search bar, we have to write you have to write performance, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and then you have to click on advanced, and then here you click on change, and then here you enable custom size, and here if you have 60 gigabytes, that's your memory. Here you see, you see the how many gigabytes you have. 8, 4. If you have 4, you have to go 8 by 2, and you have to write 8000. And if you have 60 gigabytes, as I do, I have to make the calculation for 60 by 2, and here you have to I have to write 32,000 megabytes, and here for here as well. Click on set name and click on OK and OK. And if you have 8 gigabytes, you go with 8 by 2, and then you write there the results. Okay. Now you can also, for better performance, you can also here adjust for best performance, and instead of appearance, write for best performance, and then you custom and only enable both of these buttons. Okay. So I hope, guys, this video is gonna help you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and now I'll see you in the next video. Take care.